Hey guys, it's Katie with scrappinkatie.ctmh.com, and I wanted to take this opportunity to tell you about the wonderful deal that Close to My Heart has going on right now in continuance of their 35th anniversary in the paper crafting industry. We are having a sale on our Workspace Wonder line. It's going on right now, and it'll be good through the end of February 28th. You can shop the sale on my website. Let me see if I can get that pulled up for you guys. The black tray you see in front of you is part of the Workspace Wonder, and it is the small tray. And I'm going to show you later what I do with the small tray, how I go about when I'm designing my kits for the next month, where I keep all the goodies until I'm done designing, and then kind of show you what I have in mind, being that I can get the Workspace Wonders on sale for 35% off. So let me get my website pulled up right quick so you can kind of see the line. Again, this one is the small one, and it retails for a little under $8, I believe, $7.95. And I have one here, and then I have another one that has a tape runner and scissors and stuff like that in it. It measures about 4 inches by 8, the outside. The inside's just a little bit skinnier than that, but they stack really nicely. And I just have everything I need to design next month's kit in there. This line is so much happy, and it's got all the bright colors, and it really makes you happy. So here's my website. Here's what the Workspace Wonder line looks like. So you've got all these individual pieces. There's that small tray. And so on sale, you could get it for $5.17 US. And then there's the mini tray. I'm also considering getting several of these as well. But they're stackable. You've got ink pad holders, marker, pens. And so this is where it gets interesting. You start stacking them, and literally the choices are endless. And so then that's what one looks like, fully loaded with all the inks, re-inkers on the top, and, scissors, tape runners on the bottom. In fact, I had a client message me today that said, "Oh my gosh, this is such a great deal. I'm going to go shop." And I said, "Yeah, it's a fabulous deal. And the only thing that could make it better is if it already came organized for you." Of course, it doesn't. Once you get it, you'll have to do your own organization. But I kind of like that. You get to put things where you want to put them, and being that they're stackable, you can do it the way you want to do it. So here is the small tray full of So Much Happy. And I've got a little bit of everything for this line. And so what I do each month is when I begin to start designing for my monthly kits, I start cutting apart the cut apart sheet. Let me pull that for you and show you what I'm talking about. And so each one of Close to My Heart's paper packets comes with 2 of each design of B&T, and then you get this cut apart sheet. And so immediately I just start cutting all of these things apart. Some of them you'll have to fussy cut, of course. And then others are pretty straight cuts, so borders, tags, sentiments, stuff like that. So I cut all those apart and I put them in my tray. And then we also have complements, and with each line you get 2 sheets. And so one is a sticker sheet, so I don't cut that apart, of course, and I just kind of store that with the paper packet. And then you get usually a chipboard sheet. And so after I've done the cut aparts, I just punch all the chipboard images out of the complement sheet, and I throw those into my tray. And so also in there, you've got all the cut aparts, you've got all the chipboard pieces, and then I also take anything else that goes with the line. So this one has a large, of course, you can see that banner, the best part. That's pretty large. So I've got the puffy stickers that go with So Much Happy. And then I've got the PML cards. And that way I have everything out in front of me when I go to design, because I really have no idea until I sit down and start designing what I'm going to use. So I just pull from this tray as needed. And at the end of the month, when I've designed my kits, I'm predominantly a scrapbooker, so all the bigger pieces will be used up. I might have also made some cards for friends or coworkers, but the majority of these big pieces are used up on the layouts, and so all that's left is the little bitty tiny pieces in there. And so what I have been doing, because I only have one usable tray, is after that's used up, then I take all the leftovers and I've been putting in the small craft boxes. And I have a little holder for that. They're clear so I can see what they are in case I make a card later. But you have all the unused chipboard pieces, all the unused cut aparts, and they store really nicely in those little craft boxes. But what I'm thinking is, after I've designed, I'll put the puffy stickers in the place that I store all the embellishments and assortments for the paper packets, the current ones. But what I'll do is, I'm thinking about getting 4 or 5 more of these, and I'll actually have one for each current line in the seasonal expressions or the holiday expressions. And then any large pieces that I didn't use, because they won't stack in there, I'll put with the stickers and with the paper packets. And then they can stack nicely with my Workspace Wonder. I would show y'all, but it's a little bit too messy. So all those will stack nicely. Everything will be contained in the small tray. And then as I need to pull either from a past kit that I've already done a workshop with or whatever, they're all stacked nicely. You can shop these at scrapandkatie.ctmh.com. And remember that any purchase this month gets put into a drawing to share the hostess rewards. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment or reach out to me on any of my social media sites. Again, my website is www.scrapandkatie.ctmh.com. Have a good weekend. Bye.